So, here's the setup. It's a challenge I've been thinking about for a while now, sitting at the intersection of tech, hype, and practicality. The goal was simple, but also pretty ambitious. Could I make $1,000 starting with absolutely nothing but a laptop and an internet connection in just 30 days? The twist? I had to lean heavily on AI. Not just as a gimmick, but as the core engine of the entire operation. This wasn't about finding some get-rich-quick scheme. It was a real-world test to see if the AI tools we hear about every single day have actually reached a point where they can be a legitimate foundation for a side hustle, especially for someone starting from scratch. Alright, so before I could even think about making money, I needed a strategy. My first move wasn't to just download every AI app I could find. Instead, I spent the first 2 days on pure research. The key was to find a process that was both repeatable and scalable. I looked at the market from a simple perspective. What are small businesses and creators already paying for? The answer usually falls into a few key categories: content creation, marketing, and design. My research led me to focus on content repurposing. Think about it. A creator makes one long-form YouTube video. That video could become 5 short-form clips for TikTok and Reels, a detailed blog post, a series of tweets, and a newsletter. The next step was to find AI tools that could handle the heavy lifting of this process. I needed tools that were either free, had a generous free trial, or offered a freemium model. I started shortlisting tools based on a few criteria. I explored a whole range of AI writers, video editors, and image generators. I spent hours watching tutorials and reading reviews to understand the strengths and weaknesses of each platform. After weighing the pros and cons, I settled on a core set of tools. For script-to-blog and text generation, I landed on a combination of ChatGPT 4o and Claude 3 Sonnet, using their free tiers. For turning long-form video into short clips, Opus Clip was the clear winner. For creating graphics, Canva's AI Magic Studio was the obvious choice. With my AI toolkit ready, the real work began on day 3. The first step was to define my niche more clearly. I decided to focus specifically on tech and educational YouTubers. I created a simple one-page document outlining my service packages. Next came the setup. I built a simple, clean portfolio to showcase what I could do. I didn't have any paying clients yet, so I created my own samples. I took a few of my own old videos and ran them through my AI process. I created a sample blog post, short clips, and Instagram carousels. Now for the hardest part, finding those first clients. Remember, no ad spend. This meant manual, organic outreach. I spent time on YouTube, Twitter, and LinkedIn looking for creators with great long-form content but weak presence on other platforms. So, let's get into the specifics of the tech. The star of the show for video editing was Opus Clip. This tool is pretty magical. You just paste a YouTube link, and its AI analyzes the entire video, identifies engaging segments, and automatically reframes them into vertical short-form videos with animated captions. For all things text-based, my go-to was a tag team, ChatGPT 4o and Claude 3 Sonnet. I used them for different tasks based on their strengths. When a client's video needed to be turned into a blog post, I'd feed the transcript into Claude with detailed prompts. Claude tends to be more nuanced for longer pieces. Design work was handled by Canva. Its AI-powered Magic Studio is incredibly powerful, even on the free plan. I could create professional templates instantly. Finally, I used automation platforms like Zapier to connect my apps and reduce mental overhead. Let's talk about how this all translated into actual money. My first client started with a $150 package. This included repurposing 2 long-form videos per month. For each video, I delivered 5 short-form clips, 1 blog post, and quote graphics. Using my AI workflow, I could complete the entire package in about 2 hours. The key to increasing earnings was efficiency and volume. By the middle of the month, I had landed 2 more clients, bringing my projected monthly income to around $500. One effective strategy was offering small upsells. After delivering the standard package, I'd create bonus content and send it over. This led to expanded retainers and one-off projects. Now it's important to be real here. This process was not perfectly smooth. There were definitely challenges and mistakes along the way. One hurdle was AI hallucinations. The AI confidently quoted statistics that were completely made up. You can never trust AI output 100%. Another challenge was client communication. I wasn't clear about revisions with my first client, which led to extra unpaid work. I also noticed AI outputs started feeling similar. To stand out, I had to inject more creativity, adding unique effects and personal touches. So after 30 days of grinding, let's look at the final numbers. Total revenue, $1,050 from 4 clients. Total expenses, 0. Total time, 60 hours. That's $17.50 per hour, a definitive success as a proof of concept. The biggest lesson, AI is not a replacement for skill, but a powerful amplifier. The tools didn't find clients or close deals. My human input was critical. If you're thinking about trying something similar, start small and specific. Pick one workflow and become an expert. The opportunity is real. The tech is ready for you. The question is, are you ready to use it?